everyone! Here comes the summertime! Let me show you a story, The Night Before Summer Vacation. Before we start to read the story, let me ask you a question. Summer vacation is coming! Yay! What is the thing you want to do the most? Do you want to go camping? Go mountain climbing? Go to the beach and swim? Just go out and visit others? Go anywhere but home or nowhere but home? Share your ideas in the comments below. Let me see what you really want to do. Okay, let me introduce this book. The Night Before Summer Vacation. Written by Natasha Wing. Illustrated by Julie Durrell. This family is getting ready to go on a vacation. The night before, they are trying to pack everything they need. What are the things they try to put in the car? It's really funny in the end. You can now press pause to read the story. Here's a mission for you. Try to guess the meaning by the pictures when reading. And remember to come back later. Welcome back to the story lesson. Did you try to guess the words from the pictures? Let's learn some words in the story. First one, bursting with anticipation. Burst means to make something open. Burst with means to do something with strong wish, like you really want to do something. Anticipation means that you feel excited about something is going to happen. In the story, the family is all excited about going on a vacation. Next words are related. When you bring a bug spray, a backpack, an umbrella, a tent, what activity are you probably going? Right, you're going camping. How about graham crackers and s'mores? Graham crackers are cookies with wheat. S'mores are graham crackers that have marshmallow inside. What activity are you probably going? Going on a picnic. Very good. Next, let's try these gears, these things. Helmets, canoe, oar, raft, snorkel, trike. You know bike, right? Trike is the bike with 3 wheels. You're going to do some activities on or in the water or in the mountainside. Look at these. Do you want to go out with the family? Then these are what you're going to put in the suitcase. Bathing suits, flip-flop, sunblock for protecting your skin from the sun, and also wiffle ball bats. Wiffle ball is a kind of light plastic ball with holes, and you use a bat to hit it. Mommy will probably be the referee reffing a game for you to see who is the winner and who is the loser. Next one, scrapbook, is a book with some pages that you can stick pictures, photos, or notes on it to keep what you want to remember. Next one, roller coaster. In an amusement park, I'm sure you ride a roller coaster before. That makes you travel quickly in a car and go up and down. Woo! And then visions of. Visions of something means what you see. That's easy, right? So visions of marshmallows mean all she sees is the marshmallow. And marshmallow is this kind of soft, sweet, usually white food. Next one, clatter. Clatter means to keep making a loud voice by hitting on hard things like a long trail of gear. Trail can have many different kind of meanings, like a road, the places where something goes by. And here means you can see so many things on the ground. That is the process when Dad wants to put the gears on the car. And the gears mean those things they pack, they want to bring on the vacation. And then explode. Explode means to break up into small pieces. Here in the story, there are so many gears and things they bring on the car. So, the car is going to explode! The last one, yay! Squeeze in. Squeeze means to press something hard. Usually, there's a sound like. Also, there's another meaning that is to get into something or somewhere difficultly. Their car is full of things already. There's almost no places. The children have to squeeze in the car. Next part. When you're reading the story, you can find out in the sentences there are some words that are with the same pronunciation in the end. Those are the rhyme words. Let's check on those words. The first one, vacation. Anticipation. The second one, went. Tent. The third one, crackers. S'mores. The fourth one, bike. Trike. The fifth one, cane. Game. The sixth one, hats. Bats. The seventh, heap. Deep. The eighth one, shell and swell. The ninth one, last and past. The 10th, toasters and coasters. There are 10 more rhyme words for you to find out in the worksheet. Here's your mission for today. The first mission is to look at the 2 activities and choose the gears you need to bring, and the second mission is to match the rhyming word set and scan the QR code to do the exercise. If you like this video, please give me a like and remember to subscribe me for more videos. Feel free to share to others. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.